Ever wondered how to find literally anything online? Let me show you the magic of Google in just 1 minute. Think of Google as your personal genius assistant. Just go to google.com/see that search bar right in the middle. That's where the fun begins. Type whatever's on your mind. Looking for a recipe for chocolate chip cookies? Just type chocolate chip cookie recipe. Need to know the weather for tomorrow? Type weather tomorrow. You can even ask full questions like how tall is the Eiffel Tower? Hit the enter key or click the search button and boom. In less than a second, you'll get a list of websites, images, videos, and news related to your search. The most relevant results are usually at the top. Click any link to explore. It's that simple. Start searching and unlock a universe of information. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips.